How's it going? We're at the Marjan's Clay Olympics, Saturday Clay Fever. I'm Jake. This is pretty cool, having a great time. We're 80s themed, as you can see, all the disco people. Had some events going on, just threw a tall pillar, a big old disco ball, and then we got a couple more events. We're here in Phoenix, having a good time.
You want me to brace while you push?
The contestants are throwing tandem. One hand will be used by each person, one inside, one outside, to throw the tallest cylinder that they can throw out of 10 pounds of clay.
Okay, so we got, okay, I got this.
Notice.
Strong, stable,
Top. Whoa! Hold on, hold on. This is the tandem, this is the disco hustle. These boys are hustling and they are throwing.
Yeah, we want to get more height out of it now is what we're going to do. So left hand, I'll put my left here. You're right here. We'll collar it. Get the neck collared in first.
Now is courtesy of Coyote.
I think we did pretty good.
For two teachers together, I think we did an awesome job. There's some big ones that about to go. Some really good throwers about to come after us. So I felt pretty good till I heard they were in it. So we'll see what happens after that.
It was really exciting to compete and participate in the Clay Olympics today.
My name is Jasmine Newson, and I've been doing clay since I was 13. And Marjan's is the best ceramic store to go to, and I love it.
Don't give up, let's go. Come on, okay, here we go.
One minute.
You don't need to clean it too well.
And go.
What I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna curl like this, right?
Okay.
You can do that with me, right? Very, very bottom, that's it. That's all we're doing. Listen. So I'm gonna come in on the outside. You're gonna kind of cuff your hand. Okay, all I'm gonna do is, there you go, there you go. All we're gonna do is come up, just about to come up. Oop. Push in more, pull it more. There you go, push in.
Okay, let's stop. Stop. Sneak.
My arm don't bend like that, yeah.
Okay.
Because, same place.
Okay. Don't be too aggressive.
Okay.
You're just touching with your fingertip, right?
Mm-hmm. Yes. Like that.
Looks like we have a thin spot. We need to straighten
I saw
it
that.
out. Okay. I'm going to come in with the rib. See where the rib is?
Yep.
Just slightly
Yeah. I'm just
come from
holding
the
it.
inside, right? And just lightly push against
I
it.
need water.
Not easy. Light. Very, very light touch.
Not a tear, slow down. Woo! Way to recover.
Good. How are you?
Great.
All right, this event is officially over. The judges are going to get their scores. Lunch is served outside to the west.
So Carrie Bueller and I won the tallest pot using 10 pounds of clay. I think we got 19 1/4 inches, something like that. And we had a bit of an advantage because she was a former student of mine. But it was fun.